Hey, Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja. We got another myth for you. Vapor barriers controlling humidity. Stay tuned. Okay, so we get asked all the time, and does installing the vapor barrier control humidity? Yes, but it doesn't do it enough to where you still don't need a dehumidifier. You gotta have a dehumidifier to properly control humidity. Just like standing water alone doesn't control humidity, a vapor barrier alone will not control humidity. So you've got to address the standing water, install the vapor barrier, and still put in that dehumidifier that you don't want to put in. The vapor barrier is not necessarily a barrier, it's actually a retarder, okay? So a vapor retarder keeps the humidity behind the vapor barrier, but it will eventually escape through the seams and all that kind of stuff. So if somebody comes in and tells you that I'm gonna put a vapor barrier down in your crawl space, Mr. Jones, and your humidity is gonna be under 60%, that's not true, that's a myth. My name is Michael Church, crawlspaceninja.com. We hope you make it a happy and blessed day. We'll see you later.